Hello everyone, welcome back to Edexcel Science channel, and now we are at question 7 from 2026 June IAL Pure Mathematics 2 paper from Edexcel. So question number 7 is a binomial expansion question, and this question is actually no different than the traditional questions that we have, where you just have to use the binomial expansion formula. So let's try it out. Okay. Um, okay, so for question A, so this is my expression and I have to expand it. Find in ascending powers of x up to and including the term x squared. So I have to find three terms basically. The binomial expansion of this, fully simplifying each coefficient. Okay, so I can say that it should be 1 to the power 10, which is 1, plus 10c1 times 5 over 16x plus 10c2 and 5 over 16x whole square. Okay, I'm just using the formula. Now 1 plus, so 10c1 is basically 10 times 5 over 16x. And 10c2, you don't actually have to do this, by the way, because you can just simply use your calculator. So this is going to be 10 times 9 over 2, and this is going to be 5 over 16 whole square times x square. Okay, so if you just plug it all of this into your calculator, you are going to get 25 over 8x plus 1125 over 256 x square, and that is your answer. Okay, question number B. Use x equals 1 over 10 and the answer to part A to show an estimate for 33 over 32 to the power 10 is this, where k is an integer to be found. So again, this is very simple. You don't need any kind of brainstorming to do this. All you have to do is you plug in this value into this, right? Into this x over here, and it should give you something similar to this. In this question, however, if you just plug 1 over 10 over here, you will get this exactly as it is. But sometimes you have to do some sort of simple manipulation, but it's never really too difficult. Okay, guys? So if I write this, 1 plus 5 over 16 times 1 over 10 to the power 10, it will become 33 over 32 to the power 10. Okay, now I know that if my x value is 1 over 10, then this becomes 32 over 10. That means this binomial expansion that I found over here is the binomial expansion of 33 over 32. So I can say 33 over 32 to the power 10 is equals 1 plus 25 over 8 times 1 over 10 plus 1125 over 256 times 1 over 10 whole square. Okay, again, just plug all of this. Actually, over here, you have to do an approximation sign. The reason being is that theoretically, if you have to expand this, you will get 11 terms. But over here, we have only found 3 terms. That means that if I were to consider this as the binomial expansion of 33 over 32 to the power 10, I am only using 3 terms. So it is close to the real value, but it is not the actual definite value. So what I'm doing over here is some sort of approximation. Okay, So if you plug this in, you will get 1389 over 1024. Okay, this is your answer. Question number C. Okay, let's do question number C on this side actually. Yeah. Question number C. So hence, find a rational estimate for root of 10, 1389. Since they are using this word hence, that means I have to use number A and number B somehow. Okay, and you can already notice that this 1389 is hidden over here, not exactly in the same form here, okay, right over here, but it is there, right? So I have to somehow manipulate it so that it becomes root of 10, 1389. So how do I do that? Now, if I use my answer from question number B, I know that 33 over 32 to the power 10 is approximately 1389 over 1024. So from here, I can change this power 10 on the left hand, on the right hand side, so that it becomes a root over. Right? Please pardon my handwriting. Um, Now, what I can do is I can split the root over the numerator and the denominator. And now we have found the expression that they are asking us, right? So it was hidden, okay, not exactly in the same form that we want, but by doing some sort of manipulation over here, I have successfully made this term, okay, this expression. So now I'm just going to make it my subject, and it becomes 33 over 32 times root of 10, 1024. And that will approximately be, if you just plug all of this in your calculator, it will be 33 over 16. And that is your answer. I hope question number 7 is clear, and I will see you in the next video.